Welcome to Bake and Cook with Passion. If you're like me, you have loads of recipes that are from the back of a box, a can, or a bag. So my next couple of videos are going to be about just that. I'm going to do a mini series about back of the box recipes. I hope you will enjoy this series. Subscribe, like, and share, and even comment. You got a few that you'd like to share? Please leave in the comment section. The first recipe for this series is called Summertime Fried Chicken. It is courtesy of Lea and Perrins. No, I don't get paid to promote it. I just found the recipe interesting. Look at the ingredients for the marinade. Of course, we use buttermilk, but this one had two secret ingredients: pickle juice and Worcestershire sauce from Lea and Perrins. So, did I like it? Well, let's find out. Let's get started. Let's make the marinade for the chicken. If you don't want to do wings, you can do a 2 or 3 pound whole chicken cut up into pieces. I made the original recipe before, and I wanted to add a little passion this time. So I added 1 teaspoon of powdered garlic. This is optional. It's up to you. You can marinate this for a minimum of 2 hours, but it's okay if you leave it in the refrigerator overnight if you'd like to prepare it the next day. I have done it before and it turned out just fine. Make sure your pieces are completely submerged in the marinade. Cover with plastic wrap and store in the refrigerator. Now we're ready to fry, but before we start to make the coating, make sure that you have prepared your oil. Your oil needs to register at 350 degrees using a thermometer before we start to fry. I added a teaspoon of garlic and onion powder to the original recipe. This is just an option. It's up to you. Just my passion. Remove chicken wings from the marinade, letting the excess drip off. You don't want the wings to be too wet. And roll it into seasoned flour until it's completely coated. Now push the wings aside in the bowl and start with another group of wings. And when you start to fry, start with the first group you floured. Now it's time to fry. Now be careful when working with oil. Always place the food away from you. Always make sure that frying pan handles are away from the outside of the stove, just in case you have little ones. The temperature of your oil should be at 350 degrees. If you don't have a thermometer, that's okay. Try with 1 wing and see if the crust is getting too dark before the inside is ready. You will need to turn the heat down. If using a tabletop fryer, then set it for 350 degrees. For the best fried chicken, never overcrowd your pan. Work in small batches and same size chicken parts. all wings, all breast, all thighs. This will ensure that your batched pieces are ready at the same time. Invest in a thermometer. Why? Chicken or any other poultry should not be consumed unless it reaches an internal temperature of 165. So what did I think about this recipe? Well, I thought it was awesome. It is a must try. Yes, I tweaked it here and there, but it was just according to my own passion. So I hope you will try this recipe too. Well, now aren't you special? Thank you for watching this video to the very end. And just for that, I'm going to give you a special sauce recipe. In a small bowl, place 1 teaspoon of garlic crushed, a half a cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce by Lea and Perrins, and a sprinkle of parsley flakes, and the squeeze of a lemon wedge. Now mix that all up together, and you can enjoy it as a dip. You can pour it on top of your chicken wings and enjoy it. Thank you for watching Bake and Cook with Passion. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. It helps me to bring you more videos like this.